Hey, this is Justin here with Eco Diesel again. I've got a little comparison here we're going to do. Had some few people ask me about it, but this is an OEM forged rod. This is a Manley 7.3 forged rod, and this is a Carrillo rod. Obviously, I got kind of cornered. It wasn't really cornered, but I got tested to see the rod on the Carrillo rod. So we're going to throw the weight of the factory forged rod on there. 1440. And then Manley rod. 1440. So it's basically the same as the stock one, but the Carrillo rod is definitely lighter. I did get proven wrong, which is not a bad thing. 1260. The only difference that I can say, if you look at these rods when you compare them all to what we've got here, is obviously an H-beam. The only thing is an H-beam has got a higher stress riser here because it doesn't have any meat in it. Yes, it's lighter and you can get supposedly more reciprocating mass, but if these are balanced right, but the FEA analysis on this rod is going to be stronger than that rod. But you look at it, there's your difference between a forged rod factory and a Manley rod. But the weights are exactly the same. Plus you got a less counterweight down here in the bottom. So, but obviously the Carrillo rod is basically the same H-beam. It's just they V'd the top of it. That's where they lighten it all up, and the top and the small end. The big end is pretty much identical on it. So, and obviously the Manleys, they loosen these or lighten these up too. Plus, they got an extra oiling groove in the Manley rods, which help with the wrist pin too, which they've got dual oiling holes, but so does the Manley. So there's some comparisons here that I wanted to show some folks. There's quite a bit of difference, you know, because even the factory rod don't have an oiling hole, where aftermarket rod, Manley, and Carrillo do. So that's kind of the difference. You can kind of see the difference in all three of them. Obviously, this one here has got a little different, you know, gusset there. But these are notorious for being, these are for a high RPM. This is more for a little lower RPM, which 7.3 really don't go that much over 4,000, 45 really. But the Carrillo rod and the Manley rod, for the price difference, I don't see much of a choice in the two. Now, if you want to turn this one a little harder, sure. But other than that, just wanted to show everybody and kind of compare it. So I had all of them here. I didn't have a powder metal rod here, but I might do another video with a powder metal rod down the road. So, but anyway, thanks for everybody for watching. Wanted to share.